and welcome. It's currently nighttime in my time zone, in case you couldn't tell already by the shittiest ever lighting conditions that are apparent in this video. I am a college student, I cannot afford sunlight, okay? But I can afford spending my free time on making a makeup tutorial instead of studying on a school night. Right? Just for you. 3 days before Halloween. So, with no further ado, I start with concealing bigger spots on my face. The actress Mia, the Uma Thurman's daughter, is very natural. We can see her freckles showing off through. So, I'd say you don't need to put on a foundation. So after I've concealed my face, I put on a lip liner on my cheeks because product purpose is a social construct, okay, Karen? I mean Kylie, or you cannot tell me that I cannot use your lip liner on my cheeks, okay? You don't need another product for that, right? You just need a freaking lip liner to do your whole face, okay? You can even do your brows with it. I'm kidding, I'm putting it because I feel like this lip liner is the best color for the blush that we see on Robin's face, and it will match my skin tone as well. It's a cool trick. You can use your lip liner on your cheeks and your forehead and your chin, as we can see in my video. If you're doing a cosplay, I'd say treat your face almost as a canvas. And then I put on some bronzer on the places as well. I think it really enhances the freckles I later on paint on my face. And I correct some other places that I think need correction. And then I go on to lips. I ended up using 3 products to achieve this color. I'd say do what you can to, resemble the character, even if what it takes is using 3 products. It's best to work with reference pictures if you're doing a cosplay. Robin has her lips really darkish and reddish, kind of orangey. And then I do my brows. Her hair is slightly reddish, gingerish. So I use gingerish eyebrow pencil. And on my actual cosplay, I will dye my hair a little gingerish tone to match her more. And then with the same pencil that I used on my brows, I paint on the first couple of freckles. And again, I ended up using 3 products to paint on my freckles. Brow pencils, one a reddish one, the other kind of grayish, and a brown eye pencil. And then I apply some peachy eyeshadow because she has kind of like a heroine chic going on. And I reshape my eyelids with brown eyeshadow a little bit to match her shape a little bit more. I will then fill it out with some brown pencil around the eyelash area. And then here's the time lapse of me doing my mascara. And then to finish it all off and shine on this Instagram stories, I put on some highlighter on my cheeks, nose and And you know, that shit under your eyebrow, I don't know how is this called. I am not an English speaker. In case you couldn't tell by how I struggle to make a single sentence already. Okay, so that is it, a finished look. Here are some photos with the makeup because I think the photos resemble the best what's made out of it. And I made myself also an outfit. I went thrifting and then I sewed my own cosplay. Really fun, strongly recommend it, you do it as well. And yeah, I have no idea how to finish this video. So I guess